You are welcome to another edition of the Market Opening Gong, where we give you updates from the Nigerian capital market. This edition captures the market performance for Monday, November 4th, 2019. From the Nigerian Stock Exchange, the all-share index closed at 26,401.06 basis points with a market capitalization of 12.851 trillion naira, meaning it appreciated by plus 0.41%. The equities market closed on a positive note as investors gained 52.46 billion naira. Champion, Honey Flower and UBA were top gainers, while Fitsin, Unilever and International Breweries were among the top losers. Access Bank, Law Union and United Bank for Africa were the top players in terms of trade volumes. For the FMDQ OTC exchange, the debt market size closed at 32.45 trillion naira. The NAFEX rate closed at 362 naira 22 kobo to a dollar, while the I&E FX rate opened at 362 naira 46 kobo and closed at 362 naira 55 kobo to a dollar. Looking at the NASD OTC market, the NSI closed at 699.25 basis points with a market capitalization of 502.37 billion naira. Volume of shares traded was 1,000 and the value traded 140,700 in one deal executed. You can also check the Nigerian economic indices on the dashboard displaying on the screen. For the major highlights from yesterday, the 4th African Islamic Finance Conference kicked off in Lagos with the keynote speaker, His Royal Highness Mohammed Sanusi II, Emir of Kano, calling for a robust regulatory and legal framework for the growth and development of non-interest finance in Nigeria.
The CBN, as a pace setter, needs to continue with its initiative of developing non-interest liquidity management instruments, especially short-term papers for non-interest banks. Without these in the market, the possibility of creating a non-interest interbank market is very slim, which will impact negatively on the profitability of these institutions. Despite the potential for growth of the Islamic financial services industry in Africa, promoters need to be encouraged to establish more Islamic financial institutions so as to create the needed critical mass that is essential for the growth of the industry in the continent. And these institutions need to come together and support each other for advocacy and growth of the industry.
For the key market and economic events to watch, with the recent assent to the Deep Offshore and Inland Basin Production Sharing Contract Act, it is expected that the petroleum sector will be repositioned to create more value for the Nigerian economy. And that will be all for this edition of the Market Opening Gong. You can visit our website www.proshareng.com to get more updates from our news stories and videos. You can also follow our social media platforms showing on the screen for further updates on our market reports. Till we come your way again, thank you for watching and do have a lovely day.